Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some red and white color accent vintage Shabby farmhouse decorating ideas. Let's take a look. A vintage Shabby farmhouse decor with red and white accents blends rustic charm with a cozy, nostalgic feel. Here are some ideas to achieve this style. Furniture and walls. Discussed white furniture. Opt for weathered wood tables, cabinets and chairs, painted in white with a distressed finish. Red accents in furniture. A vintage red hutch, a barn door or painted chairs can stand out beautifully. Textiles and fabrics. Gingham or tile patterns. Red and white checkered tablecloths, curtains or pillow covers. Lace and ruffled linens, white or cream lace runners, and vintage style truss. Floral prints incorporate small scale red florals in upholstery or bedding. Decor and accessories. Vintage signs. Old farmhouse signs with red lettering or accents. Animal wear and messengers. White animal pictures with red trim or messengers rubbed with red gingham fabric. Plastic shelving with red accents. Floating wooden shelves holding vintage red tins, old books or red pottery. Old iron or galvanized metal. Farmhouse lighting, candle holders or wall decor in edged metal. Kitchen and dining. Red and white dishware, transferware or vintage Pyrex in red and white. Farmhouse table with red chairs. A solid wood dining table with mismatched red painted chairs. Buffalo plate napkins and runners for a classic farmhouse touch. Creating a vintage Shabby farmhouse decor with red and white accents requires a balance of plastic charm, soft elegance, and a touch of nostalgia. Here are some key tips to help you achieve this look effortlessly. Choose a neutral base. Start with a soft, neutral backdrop, white, cream, or light gray walls. Use white rust wood, distressed paint, or breadboard paneling for texture. If you love wallpaper, consider subtle floral or tile patterns with red accents. Incorporate red in small doses. Avoid overpowering red. Use it in textiles, decor, and small furniture pieces. Think red gingham pillows, vintage red tints, or a distressed red accent chair. A red barn door or repurposed red shutters make for great statement pieces. Mix old and new. Shop at thrift stores, flea markets, or antique shops for unique vintage finds. Blend in modern farmhouse elements like metal fixtures and wood tones. Repurpose old furniture with a distressed paint finish for a time-worn look. Use soft and cozy fabrics. Layer different textures: cotton, linen, ruffles, and lace in white or cream. Add vintage accessories. Look for antique white pictures, red enamel and mason jars. Incorporate edged metal, galvanized trays, or baskets for contrast. Hang old farmhouse signs with faded red lettering for an authentic touch. Decorate with farmhouse-inspired kitchenware. Display red and white transferware dishes on open shelves. Use vintage canisters, milk glass, or red and white Pyrex bowls. Hang a red and white checkered apron on a hook for a charming detail. Use wood for warmth. Reclaimed wood tables, burnt wood shelves, and plastic crates add warmth. A distressed white farmhouse table with red painted chairs is a perfect combo. Lighting and fixtures matter. Opt for vintage candeliers, outside-on sconces, or lantern-style lighting. Soft, warm lighting enhances the cozy farmhouse atmosphere. Seasonal decor changes. Swap red accents with seasonal decor. Red berries in winter, red florals in spring, red apples in fall. Layer different fabrics and swap pillow covers for an easy refresh. Mix patterns for a cozy look. Combine red and white gingham towel, ticking stripes, and floral prints in curtains, pillow covers, and table journals. Stick to a soft, muted red rather than bold shades for a vintage feel. Display vintage finds creatively. Stack old red books on open shelves. Hang a collection of red and white enamelware on a kitchen wall. Repurpose vintage crates as storage or display shelves. Incorporate rustic and industrial elements. Use old satin hooks, galvanized metal planters, or burnt wood frames to balance the softness. Layer area rugs for depth. Use a jute or woven rug as a neutral base. Layer a red and white vintage style rug on top for warmth and color. Thanks for watching the video.